I'm going to be doing a box opening of the Toguard 4.0 IPS screen dash cam dual lens car DVR rear view camera FHD 1080 8.264 130 degree wide angle LDWS FC WSWDR loop recording G sensor as advertised on Amazon. I did open the box on the way home, and I also broke the seal on the main box itself, but other than that, I haven't opened anything else up. One thing to note, the packaging just came with one bubble wrap, and doesn't do a very good job of protecting my dash cam. Hopefully everything is still okay inside. Oh, I scared my doggy. This is Lola. Lola, look up here. Yeah, cutie. Enough of that. Alright, let's unbox this thing. The Toguard. And I also have right here the Walmart dash cam, Pilot Walmart dash cam, which was bought for $20. I'm just going to keep it here for a side-by-side comparison maybe. So here it is. Like I said, I did break the seal. Seal on both sides. And this is upside down. You really can't tell. You would think this would be the bottom, but it looks like it's the top. Amazon puts these barcodes on the packages. Did it on the wrong side. And I did put this inside the box on my way home. This didn't come with the package. This dash cam does not come with a flash card. In order to use a flash card with these dash cam, it has to be a class 10. I ordered this separate, also through Amazon. You can see right there, it says class 10. And this dash cam accepts a 32, nothing above it, and it didn't say anything about below it, 16 or whatnot. So I went ahead and ordered a 32 here. This dash cam came with a memory card right there. It actually came just like that already in the cam, and it's a 16 gigabyte, and I've already maxed out the memory card. I got about 39 minutes worth of footage using the 16 gigabyte that came with that one. Inside this package here, right on top, these things were on top when I originally opened the box. It comes with a dear friend, thank you for choosing our product, yada yada yada. Looks like they want to provide quality customer support. That remains to be seen. If I ever have any problems, we'll see if they follow through on that. Get a free gift by sharing your experience. Let's see what they'll give us. So we can get a windshield mount holder, a cigarette lighter, some cheap stuff. They're just trying to get us to provide some feedback, so there you go. Alright, now to the main prize here. Looks like this is the dash cam. It is the dash cam. Let's take it out. Here it is. I already put my fingerprints on it. So this is obviously going to be bigger than the one that I had. Oh yeah, it's much bigger. Let's see what kind of inputs and outputs and everything that we have going on here. At the top, not sure what that is. That's a weird looking hole. And it looks like it takes the same type of cord as that dash cam did. One of those older plug-ins. There's another hole there. Just look on the side. A bunch of buttons, yeah, for all those menu options. Nothing on this side. There's something on the bottom. That's where the flash card is going to go. It's a nice looking lens. Let's see how it looks compared to what we saw on the Looks like the exact same image, so it's identical. Now I'm back to the box here. Let's see what we got. Okay, this comes with a lot more than this little thing did. There's no rear view camera on that one. And it looks like, okay, this is a wall plug. So I guess this dash cam does not have a backup battery. It lasts for maybe 30 seconds. It looks like this one is going to have a bigger battery where I can actually charge this thing up and I'll be able to take some footage without being connected to anything with this backup battery. There's a little Ziploc bag here. Let's see what we have inside here. Okay, I see here's the rear view camera. This is supposed to be waterproof. Again, it looks just like what we saw on Amazon. And looks like this whole thing, we have the hardwire option, and hopefully we also have the option of just connecting it to the dash cam. I don't know if I want to hardwire this. I bought this because it seemed like we would not have to hardwire anything and I would just be able to run it right off the dash cam. Hopefully that's the case, so I just might consider taking this back. Okay, so not sure what's going on here yet. So this is connected to this. Looks like I can take that apart. I don't want to do that yet. No idea what this is. I'm not that knowledgeable about wiring setups. Okay, at the end of this, we do have a way to plug this into the dash cam, it looks like. We'll have to look at this later. Alright, back to the box. I recognize this. This will be for the dash cam itself, not the rear view. This will power it up for my car. And here's the section cut mount. This looks smaller than the Walmart Pilot dash cam. I think I'll take this out here. There we go. Okay, so this is a pretty small thing here. See how this feels. Some of these are poor quality and you can tell right away that they're not going to work very well. This is soft. You know, honestly, it doesn't feel any better than the Walmart dash cam for $20. Let me feel this again. I don't see much of a difference between the two. Let's see if one is bigger than the other. It does seem like one is bigger than the other. The Toguard has a smaller dash cam mount. See if this has the same freedom. Yeah, there's a lot of freedom in this. And I'm able to rotate it 360. That's good. So while I had this mounted, I will be able to turn the camera any direction that I need to. If I'm being pulled over, I can turn the camera toward my window to monitor the interaction between the police and myself. Hold everybody accountable, not just the police, also myself. My flash just went off on the phone. And here's the manual. Looks like it comes in multiple languages. Let's see how many pages is dedicated to English. Here's your basic key functions. English, 1 to 9 pages. 9 pages of English instructions. Let's give you all a sneak peek at what this dash cam instruction book looks like. Interesting, class 6 or above. For anybody who's done research on dash cams, they always recommend class 10 and above. Let's kind of flip through this real quick. You guys can pause the video if you really want to read everything that this instruction book talks about. Come on. And there's the next language. Well, there you have it. That's the first look at this dash cam. Looks like I have some tinkering around to do. I'll also provide side-by-side comparisons of the two dash cams and see if one is obviously better than the other or not. There you go. I have a Facebook message. I'm going to check that and I'll let you all go for now.